Eat chia seeds, but never do these mistakes. It can create 7 health problems. You may think chia seeds are tiny but mighty. People call them a superfood. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, plant protein, calcium, fiber, and antioxidants. They can support weight loss, heart health, and even digestion. But here's the shocking truth. If you eat chia seeds the wrong way, they can harm your body. Instead of boosting health, they can create 7 serious problems. Problems that may leave you bloated, dehydrated, with unstable blood sugar, or even at risk for choking. In this video, you will learn the 7 biggest mistakes people make with chia seeds. And most importantly, you will learn the safe and correct way to eat them. How can a small seed cause so much trouble? And how can you protect yourself while still enjoying the benefits? We will know further in this video. The first mistake is eating chia seeds dry. Many people sprinkle dry chia seeds into their mouth and wash them down with water. But chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid. When they reach your throat or stomach, they expand. Imagine a small dry sponge suddenly swelling inside your body. This can cause choking, blockage, and severe pain. A case report published in the Annals of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology described a patient who swallowed dry chia seeds and then drank water. The seeds expanded and caused esophageal blockage, leading to a medical emergency. This is not a risk you want to take. The solution is simple. Never eat chia seeds dry. Always soak them in water or any liquid for at least 20 to 30 minutes before eating. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like coating that makes them safe to swallow and easy to digest. You can add this gel to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. This one small step will prevent one of the most dangerous chia mistakes. The second mistake is overeating chia seeds. Many people think that if a little is healthy, more must be better. But that's not true with chia. Chia seeds are extremely rich in dietary fiber. Just 2 tablespoons contain about 10 grams of fiber. That is more than 1/3 of the daily recommended intake. Too much fiber, especially when consumed too quickly, can overwhelm your gut. The result is bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. The Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health has explained that excess fiber without enough fluid can actually block digestion. For people with sensitive stomachs, too much chia can even trigger painful cramps. The solution is moderation. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per day. Spread it across meals if needed. Respect the power of fiber. Your body needs balance, not overload. The third mistake is ignoring water intake. Chia seeds act like tiny sponges. Even if you soak them, they continue to absorb liquid inside your body. If you don't drink enough water alongside, chia can pull moisture from your gut. This can dry out your stool and cause constipation, stomach cramps, or even mild dehydration. Soluble fibers like those in chia need water to work properly. Research on fiber digestion shows that hydration is the key to preventing discomfort. Think of chia as a car. Water is the fuel that helps it run smoothly. Without enough water, the engine stalls. The solution is to always match chia with water. For every tablespoon of chia, drink at least 1 full glass of water. If you make chia pudding or soak chia overnight, you are already adding liquid. But if you sprinkle chia into meals, remember to hydrate. This one habit will save your stomach from unnecessary trouble. The fourth mistake is mixing chia seeds with the wrong foods. Chia itself has no strong taste, so people add it to whatever they like. But mixing chia with sugary drinks, sodas, or processed juices cancels out its benefits. Instead of helping to stabilize blood sugar, it may cause a spike. Research in the Journal of Nutrition shows that while chia can slow digestion and reduce glucose response, adding it to high-sugar foods overwhelms that effect. Think of it this way. Putting chia into soda is like adding a healthy ingredient into poison. It doesn't make the poison safe. The solution is to combine chia with whole and natural foods. Add it to smoothies with fruits, vegetables, or yogurt. Mix it into salads, soups, or homemade bread. The best way to eat chia is with foods that already support your health, not ones that destroy it. The fifth mistake is ignoring medical conditions. Chia seeds are powerful. They can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and balance blood sugar. But this power can become dangerous if you already take medication for the same issues. If you are on blood thinners, chia can thin your blood even more, raising the risk of bleeding. If you have low blood pressure, chia can push it lower, making you dizzy or faint. If you are diabetic and already on medication, chia may drop your sugar levels too much. Research published in Nutrition Research Reviews confirmed that chia lowers blood pressure and improves lipid profiles. While this is good for many people, it is risky for those with medical conditions. The solution is to always consult your doctor if you take medications for the heart, blood sugar, or pressure. Start with small amounts of chia and observe how your body responds. Never assume that natural means safe for everyone. The sixth mistake is eating too much chia before bed. Many people think a spoonful of chia at night will improve digestion or weight loss. But chia is heavy in fiber. Eating too much before sleep can lead to bloating, discomfort, or disturbed sleep. Studies on high-fiber diets show that late-night consumption can disrupt rest by causing stomach activity when your body wants to relax. If you have acid reflux or slow digestion, this mistake will make nights worse. The solution is to eat chia earlier in the day. Morning is best because it keeps you full, improves hydration, and stabilizes blood sugar. Afternoon is also fine. If you want to take chia at night, keep it very light and small. Avoid heavy meals with chia close to bedtime. Your gut and your sleep cycle will thank you. The seventh mistake is ignoring allergic reactions. Chia seeds are generally safe for most people, but allergies do exist. Symptoms include skin rashes, watery eyes, itching or swelling of the lips and tongue. People who are allergic to sesame or mustard seeds are more likely to react to chia. The American College of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology recognizes chia as a possible allergen. For some, even small amounts can cause discomfort. The solution is to pay attention. If you notice any signs of allergy after eating chia, stop immediately. Try alternatives like flax seeds or basil seeds. Never ignore your body's signals. Allergies can grow worse with repeated exposure. Now, let's step back and look at how these mistakes connect to health problems. Eating dry chia can cause choking or blockage. Overeating can overload your gut. Ignoring water intake leads to dehydration and constipation. Mixing with sugary foods spikes blood sugar. Ignoring medical conditions leads to dangerous interactions with medicines. Eating before bed disrupts sleep and digestion. And ignoring allergies risks rashes or swelling. These are the 7 problems caused by the 7 mistakes. But here's the good news. Every single one of these is preventable. All it takes is awareness and a little discipline. Chia seeds are not the enemy. They are a tool. Like any tool, they can help or hurt depending on how you use them. When used correctly, chia supports digestion, heart health, and even weight management. It helps slow down glucose absorption and keeps you full longer. Its omega-3s protect your heart and brain. Its minerals strengthen your bones. Its antioxidants fight aging and disease. But when used carelessly, chia becomes a burden to your body. That's why knowing the right way to consume them is the key difference between health and harm. As you can see, all 7 mistakes are easy to fall into. People sprinkle chia seeds without soaking. They eat too much in the hope of quick results. They forget to drink water. They add chia into sugary desserts. They ignore their medical conditions. They eat chia before sleeping. Or they keep eating despite mild allergies. These mistakes happen because chia looks so harmless. But as science shows, Small seeds carry big power. Respecting that power is the secret to safe use. Now that you know the 7 mistakes and the health problems they create, let's talk about how to use chia seeds the right way. Knowledge without action is wasted, so let's move into solutions. The first question is, how much chia should you eat daily? Experts suggest 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is safe for most people. That gives you around 10 grams of fiber, 5 grams of omega-3s, 4 grams of protein, and important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. More than this may overload your digestive system and create the problems we discussed earlier. Remember this rule. Chia is powerful in small amounts. Moderation is always better than excess. The second question is, how should you prepare chia seeds? Preparation is everything. If you eat them dry, you risk choking. If you eat them without water, you risk constipation. The safest method is to soak them in water, coconut water or almond milk for at least 20 to 30 minutes. They will form a gel-like consistency that is easy to digest. Some people even soak them overnight to make chia pudding. When soaked, chia seeds act as a natural binder, creating a smooth texture for smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. This is the easiest way to unlock their benefits while avoiding danger. The third point to consider is hydration. Chia absorbs liquid, so your body needs enough water to handle it. Always pair chia seeds with fluids. Think of it like this. Chia seeds are like tiny boats. Without enough water, they sink and get stuck. With water, they float and move smoothly. So if you sprinkle chia on salads or baked goods, remember to drink a full glass of water with your meal. This prevents bloating, constipation, and dehydration. Hydration is not just a tip, it is a requirement. The fourth question is, when is the best time to eat chia seeds? Timing matters. Morning is the best time for most people. A small serving of soaked chia in the morning provides steady energy, supports digestion, and helps control hunger through the day. Afternoon is also fine, especially if you need a healthy snack. But nighttime can be tricky. Eating a heavy chia pudding before bed may cause bloating and disturb your sleep. If you want chia at night, keep it light. Add a teaspoon to warm water or herbal tea instead of eating a large bowl. This way, you get benefits without discomfort. The fifth thing you must know is who should limit or avoid chia seeds. Not every food is safe for every person. If you take blood thinners, chia may increase the risk of bleeding. If you already have low blood pressure, chia can push it even lower. If you are diabetic on medication, chia can lower your sugar levels too much. If you have severe digestive problems, too much fiber may irritate your gut. And if you have a history of seed allergies, chia may cause reactions. For these groups, medical advice is essential before adding chia to your daily routine. Natural does not always mean harmless. Finally, let's address one more myth. Some people believe that the more chia you eat, the faster you lose weight. This is false. Overeating chia will not speed up fat burning. Instead, it will cause gas, bloating, and discomfort. The true way chia helps weight loss is through its fiber, which keeps you full and reduces snacking, but it only works if balanced with a healthy diet and active lifestyle. Chia is a helper, not a miracle. So in summary, the safe way to use chia seeds is simple. Limit your intake to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Soak them before eating. Always hydrate. Choose morning or afternoon for the best time. Avoid mixing with sugary or processed foods. And check with your doctor if you take medications or have health conditions. These are small steps, but they make a big difference. Used wisely, chia seeds can be a superfood. Used carelessly, they can be a problem. The choice is yours. We have now reached the most important part of this video, the conclusion. Chia seeds are often called one of the healthiest foods on the planet. And it is true that they provide incredible benefits. They can support heart health, balance blood sugar, improve digestion, help with weight control, and provide essential nutrients like calcium and omega-3s. But the reality is also clear. If you eat chia seeds the wrong way, they can harm you. Small mistakes can create big problems. The same seed that protects your health can also disturb your stomach, interfere with your medicines, and even put you at risk for choking. This is why awareness is the key. So let us recap the 7 mistakes quickly. Mistake 1 was eating chia seeds dry. This can cause choking or blockage because chia swells when it touches water. Mistake 2 was overeating. Too much fiber at once leads to bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. Mistake 3 was ignoring water intake. Chia absorbs liquid, and without enough hydration it can cause cramps or dehydration. Mistake 4 was mixing with the wrong foods. Adding chia to sugary drinks or processed foods cancels out its benefits and spikes blood sugar. Mistake 5 was ignoring medical conditions. Chia can lower blood pressure and thin blood, which may be dangerous for those on medication. Mistake 6 was eating too much before bed. Heavy fiber intake at night can disturb sleep and digestion. Mistake 7 was ignoring allergies. Even natural foods can trigger reactions in sensitive people. These are the 7 dangers. But you have also learned the solutions. Soak your chia seeds before eating. Control your portions. Drink enough water. Combine chia with healthy whole foods, not junk. Eat them in the morning or afternoon instead of late at night. And always respect your medical conditions and allergies. When you follow these rules, chia becomes your ally. When you ignore them, chia becomes your enemy. The beauty of chia seeds lies in their balance. They do not work as a miracle cure. They do not melt fat instantly or heal diseases overnight. They work quietly, adding fiber, healthy fats, and minerals to your diet. They support your body when you also support it with good food, exercise, and rest. This is why you must never see chia as a magic pill. See it as one tool in your health toolbox. If you use it wisely, it strengthens you. If you misuse it, it creates problems. The choice is always in your hands. Science supports this view. Studies show chia improves lipid profiles, lowers blood pressure, reduces inflammation, and helps with satiety. But the same studies also show that too much fiber causes discomfort. Case reports warn about choking when chia is consumed dry. Nutrition reviews warn of interactions with blood thinners and pressure medications. The evidence is there. Chia is powerful, and power must always be handled with care. So the next time you see a bag of chia seeds in your kitchen, remember this video. Remember the 7 mistakes. Remember the 7 problems. And remember the safe solutions. Because health is not about what you eat. It is about how you eat it. Chia seeds can either harm or heal depending on your choices. Now, here is my final request. If this video gave you clarity and helped you understand the right way to use chia seeds,